Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to remove the hyperlink or how to remove the link from the word on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the link from the text or word or hyperlink from the text or word on your Canva sheets on your computer. For an example, here Canva has the link here. This Windows 11 has a link here. It's about the Google search. Click here, you can find the Google search. So just need to remove the link from this particular words. So first of all, you have this pencil symbol on the bottom. If you just click here, it will be pop up. Just click on the pencil symbol and you have this option called remove. Click on this, that's it. So simple. The same way here, just click it and click on the pencil symbol and click on the dustbin symbol or recycle symbol. Click this. The link has been removed, so the text has been changed into the black color. This is how you just remove the link or hyperlink on your any text on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.